Hello guys, welcome to Tech Videos channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you top 5 hidden features on your Android. Go to your phone settings and tap on the search bar and search auto blocker. Go to auto blocker. Now you have to turn on this option. And after turning this option, your auto blocker keeps your phone safe by blocking threats. Now go back. Again go to your phone settings. Swipe down and go to about phone. Now tap on software information and tap on the build number at 7 times. And after that your developer mode will be turned on. Now you have to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone will be more smoother and faster. Now go back, swipe down and go to Google. Go to manage your Google account. Go to data privacy. Now swipe down and go to web and app activity. Now you have to turn off this option. Go back. Now go to location history. Again you have to turn off this option. And after that anyone won't be able to track your location. Now go back. Now if you want to increase or decrease your font size, then go to again settings. Swipe down. Go to display. Now go to font size and style. And guys, here you can moving. And after moving, your font size will be increase and decrease. And you can select your font size from here. Now if you want to enable LED light notification, then go to your phone settings again. Go to notification. Go to notification pop-up style. Now go to edge lighting style. And here you will find a lot of effects and color. You have to select the effects or color as you wish. And after that just tap on done. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.